Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today our topic is about TG and GTG. In previous class, I have discussed about the FA finite automation, and in that FA, I have discussed about the NFA non-deterministic finite automation. In this lecture, we will discuss about the TG and GTG. TG transition graph and GTG generalized transition graph. So both are FAs. These are also finite automata, automation types of finite automata. In these two types, we will also make diagrams for the regular expressions. So in previous class, I have drawn the regular expression. Sorry, I have drawn the NFA diagram for the regular expression. In this lecture, I will draw the TG diagram, transition graph, and GTG generalized transition graph for regular expression. Let me start TG. Okay, what is TG? So it stands for transition graph. What is a transition graph? TG can has one or more initial and final states. TG क्या है? या हो एक initial state दारा, वो एक final state दारा, या आज एक ज़्यादा. सर for example एक initial state as the initial state आज़िम ज़ाहिर मिशा. सही मौदा previous दरस गुज़श्ता मौ गुफ्ता बुदम. वो आज़िम ज़ाहिर मिशा कि इंजो मौ मनफी निश्त लगे. सही से दाखिली मौ मनफी निश्त. We आज एक ज़्यादा final state the دو سرکلم ظاهر میشه یا ما داخل سرکل یک پلاس نشان نوشته میگیرن. صحیح است؟ عظیم ظاهر میشه. یا هی یک initial final state داره یا از یک زیاد داره. خود NFA چی است؟ در NFA باید یک initial stage باشه و یک final state باید باشه. صحیح است؟ ازی زیاد باید نباشه. So in TG we have more than one final or initial state. Okay, next one, what we have the empty transition are allowed and TG same like NFA. So here we can also draw empty transitions. Yeah, for example, if we have initial state this one, if we have final state this one, so we can also have the empty transition just like this. This is in empty transition, null transition. This transition has no letter, so this is null transition. It's like NFA, we also have empty transition and TG. Okay, next one, TG machine can read more than one letter at a single transition. What does it mean? It means that for example, if we have final state and from final state we have, for example, state number 2. If we have a transition right here in NFA, so there must be only one letter. इंजे एक letter A बॉशा या B बॉशा. सही है? So for example, for B I am drawing just like this. So this is for A plus B. I have explained it in previous lecture. You can review that. A plus B. Okay. For the same A plus B, we can draw a TG like this. According to this statement, for example, this is state number 2. This is state number 1, which is initial state. So we will have only one transition, and this transition can have A or B. A or B. This transition can have more than one letter, but in case of NFA, non-deterministic finite automata, so there must be only one letter over a single transition. But here we can have more than one letter over a single transition. It may be 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on. You can have that letters. Okay, so here the meaning of this statement is TG means transition graph machine can read more than one letter at a single transition. So here we have a single transition. At this transition we can have more than one letter. Got it? Next, every NFA is a TG, but every TG is not a NFA. हर NFA क्या असतं? सगळी NFA असतं, which is the ETG असतं. हर NFA रमो TG गुफ्तमेतोनिम. हो हर TG रमो NFA गुफ्तनामेतोनिम. सगळी ETG असतं. This is a TG. ETG असतं वो NFA असतं. But this cannot be NFA. This is just only, we can say this is the TG. This is not NFA. NFA नहीं है. स्टेटमेंट ची मकसद दो मकसद शमी है कि हर NFA can be TG, but हर TG क्या है वो NFA नहीं है. शायद या TG बाशा कि वो NFA में बाशा हो हर TG नहीं है. ये चीज़ हर NFA TG है. ई NFA में است ایرا ما تیجیم گفته میتونیم. خب باز اعظمی x هم تیجی رسم میشه. صحیح این تیجی است و این تیجی است. خب این تیجی است ای NFA است. صحیح ای NFA نیست ای تیجی است فقط. فهمیدید؟ Next one. Okay. So what we have some examples for TG. Consider the language L of string defined over A, B. So these two are the alphabet starting with B. In this case, the starting with B. First of all, we should create a regular expression for this. After that, we will draw the TG for that for this regular expression. So is awal by the regular expression malum bosha bod azimo TG rasm making. Musakinja yak descriptive definition of languages the make chimiga मेगे की एक लैंग्वेज आज़मी दो जोर को सही से हो starting with B ये बायद आज चीज़ शुरू बाशा B आज B बायद शुरू बाशा बहुत आज ये हर चीज़ की बाशा double A single A double B single B A B B A double B A double A B so हर चीज़ बाशा हो अवल बायद चीज़ बाशा अवल बायद A बाशा ये जो regular expression चीज़ किसम राशि में शो सही को अवल B is the starting with B बहुत आज ये हर letter अगर मैं ये जो माँ A plus B whole structure गिरफ्ते हैं बड़ी खातर कि अगर इन जो शुमा single A में गिरी या double B में गिरी या single B में गिरी या A और B एक जगह में गिरी या B A में गिरी सही से या triple A triple B हो असल condition हमें इस तरह कि बायद चीज़ बोशा starting with B बोशा बहुत अजी हर चीज़ बोशा फर्क ना में गिना. But here we have a regular expression which start each and every string of that regular expression with B. Okay, no matter that the second letter is A or the second letter is B, but the first letter should be A. So the first letter should be B. So here how will we draw a TG for this? Look at this B and here A plus B whole asterisk. For whole asterisk I have explained that there must be a loop. So this is initial state and this is the final state. Sorry, here we should also draw B. Okay, so here we have B. इंजा अमोन इश्तना कहते हैं इंजा B ऐसा. So as initial stage अवल ची में B में है. बहुत अजी अगर A accept में शा या B accept में शा या double A accept में शा या double B accept में शा no problem. But at the beginning of each and every string there must be letter B. Okay, so this is the TG graph for this regular expression. Got it? Okay, next one. Next example. This is your task. Build a TG accepting the language of strings defined over this one ending in B. By shumo yak regular expression by shumo jor kinin says that make a regular expression for this. Make a regular expression and also a TG. Yeah, we can say transition graph for this question. In previous question, what we had starting with B, and here you have ending with B. So the condition is changed. The condition is opposite. So in that case, the regular expression was just like this: A plus B holosteric. Okay, but in this case what we have, ending in B. So here we have starting with B, here we have ending with B. So you should make a transition graph for this. Okay, next what we have, another other examples. Here is, consider the language L of strings defined over this containing double A. Containing means having, containing. What does it mean? It means that here the double A should be in the middle of the string, at the starting, at the ending, whatever you have. It may be A, it may be B, it may be double A, double B, it may be A B, B A, no problem. But at the middle there must be double A. Look at this, what we have. We have at the start any letter you can have. A plus B holosteric means any letter. A plus B holosteric means any letter at the end. But at the middle there must be double A. Yeah, we can have that it must contain double A. Contain means that double A must be in the middle. There may be any letter at the start or maybe any letter at the end, but must be A at the middle. सही है? باید A بین letters باشه. सही है? हाँ, containing double A. So this is a regular expression, and for this regular expression, how will we make the TG? Yeah, we can say transition graph. Look at this. Here we have double A containing double. अगर और बोशा बहुत माँ A plus A निश्चित में क्या इंजो containing double A मकसद do A दारा इंजो do A ऐसे दया transition do A ऐसे the TG या अगर keep in mind one thing, that for loop we are not taking a single transition for loop in case of TG. इंजो loop बाय जुदा बोशा इंजो loop जुदा से इंजो loop जुदा ये loop बहुत ही चीज़ है B A या we can say A B no problem. सही से A plus B इंजो समा B A गिरफ्त شما A comma B نوشته کو. صحیح است. There is no problem. صحیح است. Same case is right here. You can also write A comma B. Comma means R. अगर उनजा plus बाशा, it means here we should put comma. Here we should put comma because at the start we have A plus B holosteric. Look at this, A plus B holosteric, and at the end we have also A plus B holosteric. Yeah, B plus A holosteric, no problem. And here in the middle we should have double A. So here we have double A. This is a transition graph for this diagram. If you want to draw the NFA for this, so NFA will be just like this. Look at this. Starting state 1. Okay. This is state 2. For loop we can draw just like this. This is for loop A or B. This is for loop. Next what we have double A. So here we should have single letter on each and every transition. This is state 3. Next what we have again A, and at the last here we should also have a loop for the state 4, and here we will have the final state, and this is state 5. So this is NFA. A, same like first one, and this is B, which is the loop. So this is NFA. E NFA است. The NFA ما گفته بودم که the NFA که است در یک ترانزیشن چی می باشه؟ در یک ترانزیشن فقط یک لتر باید باشه. اینجا یک ترانزیشن یک لتر داره، یک لتر، اینجا یک لتر. اگر شما این سعی کنید این ترانزیشن 2 لتر داره، این ترانزیشن 2 لتر داره، این ترانزیشن 2 لتر. این TG ما است و FM است. It is a TG also. این TG ما است. ترانزیشن گراف میره گفته میشه. این FM گفته میشه. این فقط TG میگه. So this is just only a TG. This is not an NFA. Is I have explained that every NFA is a TG, but every TG is not an NFA. Got it? Next. Okay, consider the language of strings defined over this alphabet having double A or double B, containing या having double A or double B. اینجا double A هست or double B هست. اگه شما داول هر چیز باشه برای ما A plus B whole square داخلم A plus B whole square no problem, but there must be in the middle we should have double A. Condition change having double A, so this is double A or double B. Look at this, or double B is plus double B. Okay, so this is the regular expression for this. And how will we draw a TG for this? Look at this. So here we can draw a TG for this. Okay, so this is a TG for this. We can draw a TG just like this. So here on loop, what we have A comma B, and at the end, at final state, we also have A comma B. At state X, this is A. We can also represent state just like this: X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D. We can represent by using S1, S2, S3. Yeah, we can just only write 1, 2, 3, 4. You can write anything. Minus, this is start state. At start we have A comma B. What does it mean? It means A plus B whole is static. And at plus, what we have A plus B whole is static. At start, at end we have plus B whole is static. So here double A, this is the transition for double A, and this is transition for double B. We can also draw like this. Look at this, double A comma double B. It means double A or double B. So we can draw transition graph just like this. This is also a TG, and this is also a TG, but this is not an NFA. Why? Because here what we have two letters on a single transition. Here we have two letters on a single transition. So this is the TG, and in this TG we have this TG containing double A or double B. And here at the start and at the end we have any letter, so it's no problem. So the condition is just only double A or double B. Again, double A and double B maybe was more direct nishta A B, it's a double A double B was common nishta I should say is the or as the double A comma double B nishta. Okay, got it. Next. Okay, so we can also draw a TG for the same regular expression double A double B. Okay, just like this. Look at this. So this is the regular expression A plus B whole is steric. It means containing double A or double B. This is the regular expression. I'm yaval ke hasta says munje ki nishta hasta A plus B whole is steric at the end. Anything you can have. Okay, during the explanation of TG, as I have told you that TG can have more than one initial state and more than one final state. Second, जब mod double A बरे double A मौजूदा transition graph रस्म कर दें, वो बरे double B मौजूदा रस्म कर दें. Second, ये मुकम्मल एक transition graph है TG. How we can recognize that? How we can identify that this is one transition graph? This is one final state, sorry, initial state, two is final state again. So we have the continuity in this number of state. اینجا تسلسل است. تسلسل مثلا چی است؟ مثلا 1 2 3 4. اینجا state 1 2 3 4 است. مثلا است که یک transition graph است. خب دو final state داره و دو initial state داره. یک ما برای دبل A رسم کردیم، یک برای دبل B رسم کردیم. صحیح است. خب این قسم در NFA نیست. در NFA یک فاینل استیت می باشه، یک اینیشیل استیت می باشه. اینجا دو final state as the yak initial state. 1 and 3 are initial state and 2 and 4 are the final state. So we can also draw just like this. Here we have the note in the above TG. If the states are not labeled, then it may not be considered to be a single TG. अगर इनजा label ना में बोल, अगर इनजा मो 3 or 4 नेशनल में कहते हैं, बहुत मालूम ना में शुद्ध कि मरबूती अमी TG ऐसे सही है, और ये मालूम है कि मरबूती अमी TG ऐसे याक दो से चार ऐसे सही है. Got it? You had any question, then you can ask questions. Okay, next what we have, generalized transition graph. Okay, GTG, generalized transition graph. So what is a generalized transition graph? So the two here we can have same statements is like TG and NFA. It should also have number of states, at least one of which is star state and some may be non या final states. اینجا میگه که در NFA خو یک final و یک initial stage می باشه و در TG که است از یک می باشه که از یک زیاد final initial state می باشه. میگه اینجا هست یک یا از یک زیاد initial و final state می باشه. صحیح است. و چندین states می باشه. صحیح است. و از امو می باشه که یک باشه final initial state یا زیاد باشه. صحیح است. Those statements is the final set of input letters from which input string are formed. Same we have input letters just like in TG. Look at this. In TG we also have alphabet A, B, okay, and from this then we can make the strings just like this regular expression. Okay, so the same thing is right here in the GTG. Next one, direct edges containing connecting some pair of state label with regular expression. In the fark dara as TG, GTG ई fark asta. Ami jumla क्या asta या ami sentence क्या asta GTG ra as TG जुदों में कहना. सही से मकसद ये चीज़ इन जमेगा कि the yak transition मो मुकम्मल TG more mukammal regular expression in just like this. So here for example we have initial state and here we have final state. We can write the complete regular expression on a single transition. Sorry, yak transition mukammal regular expression in this is the difference between the TG and GTG. The TG चिकसमूद, the TG की بود ما برای ستریک که است جدا یک لیبل جور میکردیم. صحیح است؟ یک لوپ میگرفتیم. اینجا لوپ می اینجا لوپ می بود. و بدون لوپ که بود برای اون ما یک ترانزیشن میگرفتیم. صحیح است؟ For example double A بود یا double B بود. امی قسم صحیح است double A است. برای ما جدا یک ترانزیشن میگرفتیم و برای لوپ ما جدا ترانزیشن میگرفتیم. صحیح است؟ و در GTG چی است؟ در GTG مکمل ریگولر اکسپرشن در یک ترانزیشن گراف نوشته میشه. فرق نمیکنه. صحیح است؟ It may be noted that in GTG the level of transition edges are corresponding regular expression. و مکمل یک ریگولر اکسپرشن میباشه در یک ترانزیشن. Okay, next. Here we have an example of GTG. What is this example? Says us, consider the language L of strings defined over this alphabet containing double A or double B, same like previous example, containing double A or double B at the start. Whatever you have, no problem. Says the language L. So here we draw a TG for this. This is TG for this example, and here we have GTG. So we can write the complete regular expression on a single transition. No problem. This is a regular expression. This is generalized transition graph, and this is the complete regular expression, and this is, we can call GTG, generalized transition graph. This is a difference just only. So we can also write the static, yeah, we can also write the loop, yeah, clean start closure with the remaining regular expression. Yeah, we can say, we can write the complete regular expression on a single transition. So this is the GTG. We have some more example for the GTG. Got this GTG? Okay. Next example, consider language L of a string or defined where this beginning and ending in different letter. Beginning and ending and different letter. Second, or is end as a second beginning here. Beginning with A and ending with B. Agar beginning with A and ending with B agar me guft boz ami yakam durust me bod. Second, beginning with A دبین هر باشه هر لتر اگر باشه برای هر لتر ما گفتیم که ما استریک میگیریم. مثلا A و B است A plus B ما نوشته اگر اینجا A plus B plus C می بود باز ما A plus B plus C هول استریک میگرفتیم. سیست اگر این استیتمنت X بود beginning with A and ending with B باز امی یکم درست می بود. سیست باز درست است. و اینجا ما چی گفتیم که beginning and ending in different letters. letter ما specify نکردیم مشخص نکردیم. نما باز X کردیم. برای A ما نوشته کردیم beginning with A and ending with B یا beginning with B and ending with A. اگر مشخص میکرد که beginning with A and ending with B باز امو یکم درست می بود. صحیح است؟ خب اینجا چی گفتم که این beginning and ending in different letters. نوامی خاطر ما اینجا A begin کردیم و B ending کردیم. اینجا B begin کردیم A end کردیم. This is starting with A and ending with different letter B. Starting with B and ending with A. ما برای A و برای B از دو portion گرفتیم. سیست این یک regular expression هست. برای regular expression ما TG و GTG چی قسم رسم میگن؟ Okay, so look at this. How will we draw? B, A plus B whole asterisk A. This is for the first portion and this is for the second portion. But we can also draw like this. Saying X हम रसे. E बरे अवल portion हस्ते. सही से E बरे दोन portion. मो दो transition करे. X हम में से कि मो एक transition भी गए. सही से. So this complete transition has the complete regular expression. बरे TG X हम रस में शा. TG X हम रस में शा. Saying starting of this is initial state 1 and here we have starting with A and ending with B. For this how will we draw? Starting with A this is state 2 starting with A in the middle what we have A or B, okay, and ending with B. This is the final state. We can say right here this is the final state, and for the next we can write like this state 4. This is the second initial state. In previous example I have explained it. Here it is starting with B. This is state 5 and here we will have a loop, okay, A comma B and ending with, so here we should have transition toward final. Here this is the second final state, 6 final state, and here we will have A. Look at this.
starting with A, ending with B, starting with B, ending with A, in the middle whatever you have. Okay, so this is the TG for this, and this is the GTG, or we can say GTG for this. How we can recognize this is TG? Because here for loop we are taking the separate transition, but here we can take both loop and without loop letters on a single transition. This is GTG, this is GTG. So these two are GTG, and the above one is the, this is GTG, and this is the TG. Got it? Next, what we have next in the example, here we have in another example, consider the language L of string defined over this alphabet having triple A or triple B. Very easy, triple A or triple B. فقط example مثال گذاشته double A double B بود، اینجا triple A triple B هست. برای transition graph چیکسون رسم میشه؟ اینجا رسم هست. سعی که اینجا triple A or triple B. This is TG. This is TG, and the generalized transition graph is this one containing triple A triple B. Got it? And one more thing is, I have told you that for this we can draw a separate final initial state, and for this we can draw a separate final and initial state. Okay. Next, what we have an example. This is for your assignment. Draw GT and GTG for the given regular expression. Okay, GT, sorry, this is not GT, this is TG. This is TG. Draw TG and GTG for the given regular expression. Consider the language L of string defined where there is beginning with and ending in same letter. In your regular expression जो करें beginning and ending with same letter, in your starting या beginning with A and ending with A, here beginning with B and beginning with B. So for this you should draw the TG and GTG. So this is your assignment. Okay, and this was your last topic of this lecture. Okay, if you had any question, then you can ask those questions in WhatsApp group. I will solve your problem. Okay, thanks a lot, dear students.